Hello students, let's do some more questions on matrices and determinants. These are short questions. If 2 into a matrix is given, elements are 1, 3, 0 and x, plus this matrix is added with another matrix which is equals to one another matrix. We have to find the value of x and y. First what we will do, we will multiply this 2 with the whole matrix. We will have 2 into 1, 2, 2 3s are 6, 0 and 2x plus another matrix is added, y, 0, 1 and 2. The sum of these two matrices is equals to 5, 6, 1 and 8. These are the elements of resulting matrix. Now, if we add two matrices, the corresponding elements will be added. Addition of these two matrices will be 2 plus y. Here we have 6 plus 0, 6, 0 plus 1, 1 and 2x plus 2 is 2x plus 2. Now we have made a single matrix by adding these two matrices and this is equals to 5, 6, 1 and 8. Now these two matrices are equal, so their corresponding elements are also equal. On equating this element, a 1 1 2 plus y equals to 5. The y will be 5 minus 2, that is 3. On equating this element, a21 second row a22 second row second element, 2x plus 2, this is equals to 8. 2x equals to 8 minus 2, 6, and the value of x is 6 by 2, that is 3. So we have value of x 3 and y is also 3. Write the cofactors of element A21 and A32. This is element A21 second row first column and A32 third row second column. We have to find the cofactors of these two elements. Now, cofactor of element A21. We denote cofactors with capital A. Now, what we will do? We will leave this column and this row, second row and first column. What is left with us? 6 minus 3 and minus 7 and 3, and we will take minus 1 की power 2 plus 1. Second row, first column. Minus 1 की power 3 is minus 1. Here in the determinant, 3 into 6, 18 minus 3 into minus 7. We have minus 1, 18 minus 7 3s are 21. Minus 1 into minus 3, that is 3. The cofactor of element A21 is 3. Now, we have to find the cofactor of element 3 to 32. Now, what we will do? We will leave third row and second column. We will have 5 minus 3 minus 4 and 2. Minus 1 की power 3 plus 2. Minus 1 की power 5 is minus 1. Inside we will have 5 into 2 minus 3 into minus 4. Minus 1 into 10. Minus 3 into minus 4. 12. 10 minus 12. Minus of minus 2. That is 2. This is our answer. In this question, we have to find the determinant. Bachche, we can find the determinant of only square matrix. We can't find the determinant of a rectangular matrix. Now, we have 3 rows and 3 columns. We can find determinant by expanding any row or any column. We get the same answer. Let's expand along R1. We are expanding along R1. row 1. We will have 1 into minus 1 की पार. This is element A11, first row, first column. 1 plus 1. Inside we will have leave first column and first row. What is left with us? 1 plus x, 1. 1 plus y. Plus minus 1 की पार. This is 2, 1, 2. First row, second column. We will add 1 plus 2 into this element. A12 is 1. Leave second column, first row. We will have 1, 1, 1, 1 plus y. Plus minus 1 की पार. This element is 1, 3. First row, third column. We will add 1 plus 3. Into element A13, that is 1. Leave first row, third column. We will have 1, 1, 1 plus x and 1. Now, 1 into minus 1 की part 2 is 1. Inside we have 1 plus x into 1 plus y. Minus 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 की पार 1 plus 2, that is 3. Minus 1 की पार 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Inside we will have 1 into 1 plus y. 1 plus y. Minus 1. Minus 1 की पार 4, that is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Here we have 1 minus 1 into 1 plus x. Now, 1 plus x into 1 plus y, multiply 1 with 1, we will get 1 plus y plus xy minus 1. Here we have minus 1, 1 and 1 get cancelled. We have left with y plus 1, 1 minus x. What is left with us? 1 and 1 get cancelled. We have y plus xy minus y and minus x. Y and y get cancelled, x and x get cancelled. So what is left with us? xy. xy is the determinant. This is our answer. If you expand along R2 or R3 or any column, you will get the same answer. If a matrix A is given, we have to find the determinant of adjoint A. Bachche, we have formula. If we have a matrix A with order n, if we have a matrix A with order n, then determinant of adjoint A is equals to determinant of A की power n minus 1. This is very important formula for you. Now, in this case, the order is 2 by 2. Now, what is the determinant? Determinant of A is 3 into 5 minus 2 into minus 7, that is 15 minus 14, that is 1. We have to find determinant of adjoint A. This is equals to determinant of A की power n is 2 minus 1. So, determinant of adjoint A is 1. Another way. First, take out adjoint A. Adjoint A is a matrix. We have a matrix with order 2 by 2. If we have to form the matrix adjoint A from A of the order 2 by 2, what we will do? The diagonal elements will interchange. In place of 5, we will write 3 and 5 in 3 in place of 5 and 5 in place of 3. And the other in case of other elements, the signs will change. In place of minus 2, we will write 2, and for minus 7, we will write 7. This is adjoint A. Now, what we have to find? Determinant of adjoint A. How can you find? 5 into 3, 15 minus 7 into 2, that is 15 minus 14, 1. If it is difficult for you to learn this formula, do it like this. For any 2 by 2 square matrix A into adjoint A is given. We have to find the value of determinant of A. Now, बच्चे, we have a formula. A into adjoint A is always equals to adjoint A into A, and this is equals to determinant of A into I. You must learn the formulas for matrices and determinants. Now, we know A into adjoint A is equals to determinant of A into I. I is identity matrix. Now, we have given A into adjoint A as 8, 0, 0 and 8. This is a matrix. If this is 0, where we have 0. If we take 8 common from all the elements, what will we get? We have taken 8 outside. What is left here? 1, 0, 0 and 1. What is A into adjoint A? Determinant of A into I. This is I, identity matrix. This must be determinant of A. So what we have to find? Determinant of A, and this is equals to 8. If two matrices are given, no sign in between, it means we must have sign of multiplication, is equals to another matrix. We have to find the value of X and Y. Now, the order of this matrix is 2 by 2, 2 rows, 2 columns, and the order of this matrix is 2 into 1. For multiplication to be defined, the column of first matrix must be equal to the row of second matrix. In this case, multiplication is defined. Number of elements that we will get will be 2 into 1, 2. Now, multiply row 1 with column 1, 1 into X plus 2 into Y. Here, second row, first column, 2 into X plus 1 into Y. This is equals to 5 and 4. We have X plus 2Y and 2X plus Y. These two matrices are equal. This is 4. It means their corresponding elements are equal. We will get X plus 2Y equals to 5 and 2X plus Y is equals to 4. We have two equations. Let this be equation 1 and equation 2. To get the value of X and Y, what we will do? We will solve these equations. Let's multiply equation 2 with 2 and subtract. Equation 1 is X plus 2Y equals to 5. Multiplying equation 2 with 2, we will get 4X plus 2Y equals to 8. Sign change. Minus 3X equals to minus 3. Minus minus cancel. The value of X is 1. What about Y? Put the value of X in equation 1. X plus 2Y equals to 5. 1 plus 2Y equals to 5. 1 on the right hand side, 2Y equals to 4. And the value of Y is 4 by 2. That is 2. If A and B are invertible matrices of order 3, determinant of A is given and the determinant of AB inverse is also given. We have to find the value of determinant of B. Now, AB inverse can be written as 1 upon determinant of AB, or you can write it as simply like this. What is 1 upon AB का determinant, this is equals to 1 of determinant of A into determinant of B, and this is equals to minus 1 by 6. It is given. What is determinant of A? 2. 2 into determinant of B is equals to minus 1 by 6. 2 on the right hand side, 1 upon determinant of B is minus 2 by 6. 1 upon determinant of B is minus 1 by 3, and the determinant of B will be minus 3. This is your answer. If A is a square matrix such that A square is equals to I, we have to find the value of A inverse. It is given A square equals to I. I is identity matrix. A square means A into A. This is equals to I. Now multiply both sides with A inverse. We'll have A into A inverse equals to I into A inverse. What is A into A inverse? A into A inverse is I. A into I equals to I into A inverse. A inverse. What is A into I? A equals to A inverse. So what is the value of A inverse? A inverse is A. Find P. If a matrix is given and this is a skew symmetric matrix. A matrix is a skew symmetric matrix if we have a matrix A and we know that it is a skew symmetric matrix, it means the transpose of A will be minus A. Another property of skew symmetric matrix is that the diagonal elements are 0. The diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are always zeros. What are diagonal elements? Element A11, A22, A33, where the row and column are same. These are diagonal elements. Now, diagonal elements must be 0. So 2p plus 3 is equals to 0. 2p equals to minus 3 and the value of p is minus 3 by 2. If you take any other element, we take element 22, 4p plus 6, this must be also equals to 0. 4p equals to minus 6 and p is minus 6 by 4, minus 2 by 3. Minus 3 by 2. You will get the same answer. In this case also you will get the same answer. If A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, we have to find that AB minus BA is which type of matrix? Skew symmetric, symmetric, zero or identity matrix. Let's first check whether it is symmetric or skew symmetric. It is given that A and B are symmetric matrix. It means the transpose of A is A. Similarly, B is also symmetric. Transpose of B is B. Now, we have to find whether AB minus BA. Let's first check whether these are symmetric or skew symmetric. What we will do? We will find the transpose of these two. AB minus BA transpose will be AB transpose minus BA transpose. And what is AB transpose? AB transpose is B transpose into A transpose. Minus similarly BA transpose is A transpose into B transpose. Now, we know B transpose is equals to B and A transpose is A. A transpose A and B transpose is B. This is AB minus BA transpose. Now, AB minus BA transpose equals to, if we take minus sign outside, AB will become positive and BA will become negative. Now, AB minus BA transpose is minus of AB minus BA. This shows it is a skew symmetric matrix. So, option A is our correct option.